Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best shower valve and trim kit is probably one of the most crucial components in your bathroom, dictating not only the aesthetic appeal but also the functionality and longevity of your shower experience. So choosing the right one is paramount for a seamless and enjoyable daily routine, ensuring that every shower is a refreshing escape rather than a potential source of frustration or costly repairs down the line. Number 5. Delta R10000 UNBXHF MultiChoice Universal Shower Valve Body. Upgrade or change your shower trim without touching the plumbing behind the wall. This universal valve body offers complete flexibility, working with most Delta single, dual, or dual thermostatic trim kits. This valve body is recommended for showers without tub spouts. It is designed to meet the needs of commonly used plumbing methods. It features 1 2-inch universal inlets that accept various adapters, including copper, iron pipe, PX, or CPVC. This ensures compatibility with your existing plumbing. Please note that this is the valve body only. The required cartridge is included with your chosen Delta shower trim kit. While this specific feature is more common in kitchen faucets, the Spot Shield finish resists water spots and fingerprints, keeping your shower looking clean. The Touch Clean spray holes allow for easy removal of calcium and lime buildup. Install with confidence. This shower valve body is backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty, ensuring peace of mind and lasting quality. What we like? This offers unparalleled flexibility for future upgrades. You can change your shower trim without touching the plumbing behind the wall. If you are planning for long-term home improvements or want the option to easily update your shower's look in the future, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The valve body feels heavy and well-made, not flimsy or cheap. Everything lined up cleanly during install, and the connections were precise with no fighting or rework needed. It works with a wide range of Delta trim kits, which makes future updates much easier without opening the wall again. Once installed, the water flow is smooth and consistent, and temperature control is balanced. Super easy to install, sizing was on point, and fit perfectly in the space. Pressure tested with zero leakage. It's Delta, so you know the quality was top-notch, and it gives the ability to swap out the trim kit in the future. Number 4. Delta Foundations 13 Series Shower Valve Trim Kit. Introducing the Delta Foundations 13 Series Single-Function Valve Trim Kit. This kit features a stylish chrome handle, designed to complement your shower faucet system. Please note that the shower valve is sold separately. You will need to purchase Delta's MultiChoice Universal Shower Valve to complete your shower installation. Enjoy a comfortable shower experience thanks to the Monitor Pressure Balanced Valve cartridge. It maintains a consistent temperature by balancing hot and cold water pressure, preventing sudden changes. Effortlessly control your water temperature with the convenient single-handle design. Adjusting your shower to the perfect temperature has never been easier. This trim kit boasts a corrosion-resistant brilliance finish, engineered for exceptional durability. It's tested to exceed industry standards, ensuring it looks great for years. Rest assured with our rigorously tested fixtures. They are certified and proven to withstand extreme conditions, preventing issues like cracking, peeling, or discoloration over time. Install with confidence. This shower trim kit is backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty, offering you peace of mind and dependable use. What we like? It ensures a consistent shower temperature, protecting you from sudden hot or cold shocks. The single-handle design offers easy control over your water temperature. If you prioritize safety and simplicity in your daily shower routine, this is an excellent option for families or anyone who dislikes temperature fluctuations. What people say. It replaces my old one of the same brand and model. The swap was easy and everything fit well. It's sturdy and well-made. It works exactly as it should: smooth operation, consistent water temperature, and solid water pressure. For such an inexpensive fixture, it has a surprisingly nice, clean look that elevates the bathroom without breaking the bank. Installation was straightforward, and the build quality feels durable despite the affordable price point. Good, real steel components, with a good fit, and nice finish. All the parts were there, and in great shape. Number 3. Delta Arvo 14 Series Shower Faucet Set. Introducing the Delta Arvo 14 Series Shower Faucet Set. The included universal valve allows for easy upgrades without damaging your existing tile or plumbing. Enjoy a luxurious and versatile shower with the Intuition 2-in-1 dual shower head. Use the hand shower separately or docked for a customized experience. Select from 6 powerful spray settings to find your perfect shower. Options include full body spray, massaging spray, and a combination of both. Our monitor pressure balanced valve cartridge ensures your shower temperature remains consistent. It protects against sudden changes caused by flushing or running appliances. Spot Shield technology helps keep your shower faucet looking its best by resisting water spots and fingerprints. It stays cleaner for longer. Cleaning is a breeze with touch clean spray holes. Simply wipe away calcium and lime buildup with your finger, no soaking or harsh chemicals needed. Install with confidence thanks to the lifetime limited warranty. This shower head and trim kit are backed by Delta Faucet's commitment to quality. What we like. This set comes with the valve included and features an innovative Intuition 2-in-1 dual shower head. It allows for easy trim upgrades without damaging your walls. If you're looking for a complete shower system that offers versatility with a handheld option and the convenience of an all-in-one purchase, this is a fantastic selection. What people say. The shower head is impressive with several settings and a removable centerpiece that's perfect for rinsing down low, cleaning the walls and door, or even filling a bucket. Super versatile. I absolutely love this shower. The water pressure, of course, like all shower heads these days, is not great. However, it's very easy to use and it's very good. Looking the middle portion, which is the wand, pops off nice and easily, so you can use for your whole body or when cleaning your shower, and it has a dial so you can switch it to different settings depending on how you want the water to come out. I would definitely recommend this. Nice setup. Easy for my husband to use. Looks classy. Good spray. Good quality. Number 2. EMBATHER Brushed Nickel Shower Faucet Set. Introducing the EMBATHER Brushed Nickel Shower Faucet Set. Experience a luxurious shower with its high-pressure rainfall shower head and easy single-handle control. This shower system features a pressure balance valve cartridge. It automatically adjusts water pressure to prevent sudden temperature changes, ensuring a safe and comfortable shower for your family. Designed for easy installation, it comes with standard NPT 1-2 connectors compatible with US plumbing. Enjoy a hassle-free setup without water noise. The 6-inch rainfall shower head provides full body coverage, mimicking a luxury hotel or spa experience. Choose from 6 different shower modes for a personalized and relaxing shower. This comprehensive set includes the shower valve, trim kit, and the 6-inch rainfall shower head. It's the perfect upgrade for your bathroom or a thoughtful gift for a new home. We are committed to providing excellent customer support. If you have any questions or concerns about our shower fixtures, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. This is a complete shower kit that includes the valve, trim, and the 6-inch rainfall shower head. It's designed for easy installation and offers a high-pressure shower experience. If you want a straightforward, all-in-one solution for a refreshing and spa-like shower without the hassle of separate purchases or complex installation, this is ideal. What people say. The finish has stood up very well in the last 3 years to the iron deposits that can form on surfaces. None of that sticks to the finish of the faucet. It looks great, was an easy install and functions well. Has just the right amount of pressure to enjoy a nice hot shower after a long day at work. Number 1. Delta Modern 14 Series Shower Faucet Set. Introducing the Delta Modern 14 Series Shower Faucet Set in a sleek matte black finish. This set includes the shower head and handle, designed to elevate your showering experience. Immerse yourself in the steady, intensely powerful full body spray. It provides forceful streams of water to satisfy all your showering needs. Enjoy a consistent shower temperature thanks to the monitor pressure balanced valve cartridge. It expertly balances hot and cold water, preventing sudden changes. This fixture features a corrosion-resistant finish, engineered for exceptional durability. It's tested to exceed industry standards for longevity. Cleaning is a breeze with our touch clean spray holes. Simply wipe away calcium and lime buildup with a touch of your finger. Rest assured with our third-party certified fixtures. They are rigorously tested to ensure years of dependable use without cracking, peeling, or discoloration. Install with confidence knowing that all our shower fixtures are backed by Delta's lifetime limited warranty. What we like. It features a modern matte black finish and delivers an intensely powerful full-body spray. The durable, corrosion-resistant finish is built to last. If you're aiming for a sleek, contemporary aesthetic in your bathroom and desire a shower experience that is both invigorating and stylish, this is the perfect choice to elevate your space. What people say. The shower valve and trim kit features a modern design that complements various bathroom aesthetics. Installation was straightforward, and the included instructions were clear and easy to follow. The trim kit provides excellent water pressure control, allowing for a comfortable shower experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.